Welcome to our meditation course. Pratilom Yoga invites you to join meditation masterclass like no other. Why meditate? Because meditation makes life awesome. Still not convinced? Okay. Meditation can reduce the risk of being hospitalized for coronary disease by 87%. Is that not enough? Meditation relieves symptoms of insomnia 75% of the time. Meditation can reduce symptoms of PTSD 73% and anxiety 57% of the time. Meditation can reduce PMS symptoms by 57%. What sets it apart? Talks and discussions, guided breathing and yoga, meditation that actually works. Who should join? Spiritual seekers and aspirants, yoga teachers and students, newbies and everyone else. Whoever you are, whatever you do, this course is for you. We will work on 6 integral aspects: physical strength and flexibility, proper breathing, diet and lifestyle, relaxation and rejuvenation, meditation and optimistic mindset, integral health and longevity. What else? All content available as text and video for accessibility. Meditation stories, and it's absolutely free. What are you waiting for? Like and share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and join the email list at pratilomyoga.com. See you every Saturday. Contact us at care@pratilomyoga.com. Thank you.